Oh my God! Oh, come on! That is so fucked up, man! That is so fucked up! Oh, God! That's horrible! Oh, God! What the fuck? Oh, Jesus Christ!
You see it there on the right?
Lay on the right? What?
Coming down the thing,
Right
that's
there.
There
it is, right
I see it. And then it goes boom, right there. Watch. There it is.
You're absolutely right.
Oh my
goodness.
God, how horrible! Fuck you!
It was a plane.
Can we show that again, please?
I saw it happen too.
I clearly did not notice that the first time.
Right.
I think we need to take a look at that again.
The building comes in from the left side, it appears.
It
Fort Outlaw.
Right.
And we have had eyewitnesses who have watched that. They took...
And now if you join them with silence.
Like, where's the army?
Well, everybody's life is going to change.